What's up guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can get a Pocket Option deposit bonus on the Pocket Option platform. So let's get started. Now first off, to get a Pocket Option bonus there are two criteria. You would need to create your account using a referral or an affiliate link, and then you would need to have a promo code. So if you didn't use a referral link to create your Pocket Option account, you can take a look at the description below and use that referral link to create your account. Now next up, once you open up your Pocket Option account using a referral or an affiliate link, you can head over to the finance section right here and then go ahead and click on the deposit option. Now, once you're on the deposit menu, you can just pick whichever one of these deposit options works for you. So let's say USDC on Solana. And here comes the next part of the criteria. So you would just need to select the amount that you would like to deposit and just tap on I have a promo code. From there, you can input a promo code from the description below or any promo code that you want. They all give you the same thing. So here how the deposit bonus works is, let's say you deposit $100, then you will get $150 onto your account. So you just get 50% more than what you initially deposited. If you deposit $50, you will get $25 additional to your account, and so on and so on. So after you input the promo code, you can just click continue and pay the amount that you inputted. And from there, once the payment is processed, you will see your new balance along with a bonus on your Pocket Option account. So guys, that's how you can qualify and get a Pocket Option deposit bonus on the Pocket Option platform. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.